Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. And if you are a real estate agent and you are looking for an easy way to schedule appointments and manage leads, well, this video is for you. So today I will walk you through how to use Calendly to automate appointment scheduling, avoid back and forth emails, qualify leads before meetings, improve clients' communication. So by the end of this video, you will have a fully optimized Calendly setup that will help you manage your time like a pro. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to of course go to Calendly and sign up for a free or paid plan. And there, you can set up your profile details there. So you can use your business name or not your personal name. So you will also gonna add there a professional photo and connect it to your Google Calendar or Outlook to avoid double bookings. And make sure guys to set your availability hours to match your schedule. So here guys, if you work with different time zone, enable automatic time zone detection so clients see your availability in their local time. So here guys, as you can see here, these are all the events that I created. So these are the meetings. And here guys, you'll be able to see their create icon. In the right, you'll be able to see there a new event type. And on the left side, you'll be able to see their create button. So here, you just need to tap on that one. So you will need different appointment types guys, depending on the kind of clients you're working with. So here's how to create them. So here guys, once you click on the new event type and there you can choose 15-minute discovery call. So this is for new leads. So here. And for the 30-minute property viewing, this is for home buyers. And the 60-minute seller consultation is the homeowners looking to sell. So in setting up your meeting method, which is there is in person. So here, you can add your office or meeting location. And on the phone call, you can add a field for clients to enter their phone number. And the last one, guys, is the video call. Here, you can integrate the Zoom, Google Meet, or even the Microsoft Teams. And in adjusting your booking preferences, guys, you can limit the number of appointments per day. So you can have your buffer. You can set buffer times between meetings. And now you can have your dedicated scheduling options for different types of real estate clients. So in customizing your booking page for lead qualification, to make sure that you are talking to serious buyers and sellers, you can add custom questions to your booking form. For example, for your buyer consultation, guys, you can add a question like, what is your ideal property type? There you can add like house, a condo, or a townhouse. The next one is what is your budget range? And the last one is are you a pre-approved for a mortgage? That's it. And for a seller meeting guys, you can add a question like what is your property address? Or what is your estimated home value? Or the last one is are you looking to sell immediately or in the future? So here guys, the tip here is this pre-qualifies your leads so you don't waste time on unqualified clients. So in automating appointments, reminders, and follow-ups, you can go to workflows in the Calendly guys and set up automatic reminder. Here in the email, reminder 1 day before, and in the SMS reminder 1 hour before. So in creating a follow-up message after the meeting, for example guys, for the buyers, you can tell their thanks for your time. Here are some property listing based on our conversation. So as you can see on this part guys, I am adding here a 5 minutes buffer time. So here you can add buffer time before or after booked Calendly events. So to reduce no-shows guys and keep leads engaged, this is it. And in integrating Calendly with your CRM and the marketing tools guys. For example, if you are using a CRM like the HubSpot, Zoho, or Follow Up Boss, integrate it with Calendly to track leads automatically. So this is how to connect a CRM. You can go to integrations in Calendly and select your CRM and then connect it. So here, it will automatically send book appointments into your CRM database. So here guys, you can also connect Calendly with email marketing tools like MailChimp or of course guys, the Brevo to send nurture campaigns to your leads. And in sharing your Calendly link for easy bookings, now that everything is set up, it is time to share your Calendly link guys. So here, let's just finish this one. So on your website guys, you can add a book a free consultation button, and if you are on your social media, you can put your link in your Instagram bio, LinkedIn, or Facebook page. So in email signatures, you can make it easy for clients to book a call straight from your email. You can also put it on your business cards, like add a QR code linking to your Calendly page. So this will allow potential buyers and sellers to schedule meetings without calling or emailing you. So in tracking performance and optimizing your schedule, you just need to go to Analytics and Calendly, and you will be able to see there how many bookings you are getting per week. And then of course, you need to identify peak booking times, and then you can adjust availability. You can also check with event types, which is most popular. For example, the buyer versus seller meetings. And here guys, if you are not getting enough bookings, try offering a limited time free consultation to attract more leads. So here guys, 5 extra ways realtors can use Calendly to get more clients. Group property showings guys, so you can set up a shared booking for open houses, and of course a very important client meetings. You can create a private scheduling like for high value clients. And for brokerage team scheduling, you can allow team members to book time with you. You can also have a social media lead capture, which is run ads with a book a call, which is CTA using Calendly, and then automated testimonials. After closing, you can send a Calendly link for clients to book a quick testimonial recording. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use your Calendly as a realtor to book appointments, manage leads, and streamline your real estate business. So before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and of course comment below if you have any questions. And the last one, subscribe for more real estate marketing tips. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!